First, confirm your Android device supports eSIM. Go to Settings, then About Phone, then IMEI. Check for eSIM compatibility using Airalo's website or app scanner. Next, download the Airalo app from the Google Play Store. Open the app, select your destination, and choose a data plan that fits your needs, such as 3 GB for $10. Complete the purchase using PayPal or a credit card directly through the app. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection for the next steps. In the Airalo app, tap Install eSIM and scan the QR code provided. Your Android phone will prompt you to add the eSIM profile. Once added, go to Settings, Network and Internet, SIMs, and select the newly added eSIM profile. Enable mobile data for the Airalo eSIM. If needed, restart your device. After restarting, test the connection and monitor your data usage within the Airalo app. You can switch between eSIM profiles in settings for multi-destination use.